Right as we moved into 2026, airlines and airports quietly rolled out new rules with no announcements, no emails, just silent updates. And if you are over 65, these changes are aimed directly at you. Airlines profit from passengers who do not know these rules, charging for things that should be free and denying assistance that is already guaranteed by law. Once you know these rules, your entire airport experience shifts. Security becomes less stressful, boarding gets calmer, and you go from vulnerable traveler to the one in control. In the 10th place, the TSA medical exemption policy allows critical health equipment to remain securely inside your luggage. Devices like CPAP machines, insulin pumps, and prescription medications, along with medically necessary liquids, are fully exempt from standard remove-from-bag rules. Yet many checkpoint agents still rely on outdated habits, demanding you pull these items out. Never treat this as asking for a favor. Look the agent in the eye and say calmly, "I am using the updated medical exemption policy for health devices." If they hesitate, reinforce your right by stating, "Medical devices are exempt under current regulations." This simple script protects your privacy and keeps your security screening smooth. Number 9. Assisted boarding is a guaranteed right, yet many older travelers never request it, believing their mild joint stiffness or knee pain is not severe enough to qualify. Under the Air Carrier Access Act, any self-identified mobility limitation, even simply using a cane or walker, entitles you to early assisted boarding. This is not charity, and it requires absolutely no doctor's note, extra fee, or elite flyer status. To secure this protection and bypass gateside stress, declare any support devices at check-in and use this exact script. I would like to add assisted boarding to my reservation. Doing this early ensures you board calmly and on your own terms. 8th place. Your travel companion has a protected right to stay by your side from security all the way to the aircraft cabin. Airlines rarely advertise this, but under linked travel protection rules, separate ticket bookings can be synchronized to prevent stressful separations. If you rely on a spouse, family member, or caregiver for physical support, establishing this connection early protects your peace of mind. At the check-in desk, state your needs clearly to the agent with this exact script. "We are traveling together and I receive mobility assistance. Please link our boarding." This simple step keeps your helper with you through every checkpoint, letting you travel with complete confidence. Number 7. Asking for a wheelchair at the airport often leaves you stranded at the security checkpoint or gate when staff members walk away. To prevent these stressful handoffs, you need to use a specific phrase. The Department of Transportation now mandates continuous, uninterrupted mobility assistance from the check-in desk all the way to your aircraft seat. To secure this seamless support, contact your airline at least 48 hours before your flight. Use these exact words. "Can you arrange continuous mobility assistance from check-in to boarding?" Then, confirm it at the counter by saying, "Please note continuous assistance with no staff changes." This simple adjustment ensures a single coordinated chain of support, eliminating the gaps and confusion that often disrupt senior travelers. You have the legal right to a smooth, fully supported transit through the terminal. 6th place. Your comfort during the flight itself is protected by federal law, meaning you do not have to pay extra fees for accessible seating. If you experience joint stiffness, poor circulation, or mobility issues, the Department of Transportation requires airlines to provide appropriate seats, like aisle positions or front rows, to minimize physical strain. You do not need a medical certificate or doctor's note to make this standard request. When booking or checking in, state your right clearly using this exact phrase. "I need an accessible seat due to mobility reasons under current regulations." If the agent hesitates, exercise your right to escalate the issue immediately by asking to speak with the airline's complaint resolution official. Number 5. Extreme temperature swings in overhead bins can easily ruin sensitive medical treatments, including insulin and heart medications. To protect your health, you have the right to request onboard refrigeration. Always package your medicine in a small, clearly labeled bag and approach the gate agents before boarding begins. When speaking to the crew, use this exact phrase. I have medication that needs to be kept cold. Can you store it in the crew refrigerator? If you encounter any hesitation from the flight attendants, confidently state, this medication must be kept at a controlled temperature. Regulations allow cabin storage. Securing this climate-controlled space before takeoff ensures your vital prescriptions remain safe and effective throughout your flight. Fourth place. Hidden sensory relief and environmental control are yours to claim through unadvertised quiet zones. Many major hubs quietly maintain low-stimulation accessibility lounges designed to help you escape terminal chaos. These spaces are not luxury perks, they are protected comfort rights. Once your assisted boarding is registered on file, bypass the crowded gates by asking airport staff directly. Use this exact phrase, "Where is the accessibility lounge or quiet area?" If they seem unsure, follow up with, "I have assisted boarding. Do I have access to a quiet or accessibility area?" Often, an agent will escort you directly to these peaceful sanctuaries, giving you complete control over your surroundings. Number 3. Your medical bag does not count toward your carry-on limit. Gate agents often rely on outdated counting habits, trying to force you to repack life-saving devices or medications into standard luggage. You do not have to compromise your health. Under current rules, a separate bag containing health-related items is completely exempt from carry-on limits. This exempt status is a federally protected right, entirely distinct from standard cabin retention privileges. If an agent challenges you, look them in the eye and say confidently, "This is a medical bag allowed under current regulations for health-related items." If they hesitate, reinforce your protection by stating, "This medical bag is exempt. It contains protected health items." Asserting your rights keeps your vital supplies traveling safely right by your side. In second place, understanding system language changes how airline agents respond to your needs. Frontline staff operate in busy environments where vague requests often get ignored, but specific system trigger terms command immediate action. To secure priority handling, earlier boarding, and smooth coordination during connections, you must attach a special service request to your file. Before you fly, call your airline and say, "Please add mobility assistance for a passenger over 65 to my reservation." At the terminal, verify the update by asking, "Can you verify my special service request is active?" If issues arise, look the agent in the eye and say, "I have a special service request registered on my reservation." This precise terminology changes how staff respond, keeping you safe, supported, and fully in control. And finally, in first place, airlines cannot force you to gate check a bag containing medical equipment. Even when overhead bins are completely full and agents pressure passengers to check their carry-ons, your medical supplies have a protected cabin retention right. This applies to CPAP machines, medication bags, therapeutic supports, and mobility aids. To protect your health, attach a highly visible medical tag to your bag before arriving at the gate. If an agent insists on checking it, look them in the eye and say, "This is a medical bag, it must remain in the cabin under current regulations." If they still hesitate, reinforce your right by stating, "I need to keep this with me for health reasons. It is protected under medical carry-on regulations." This is your strongest safeguard, keeping your life-saving equipment safely with you until you land. Subscribe to our channel for more essential senior travel updates. Together, these rules reveal one undeniable truth. Your smoothest travel day doesn't depend on airline favors, but on knowing your legal rights. In 2026, information is your ultimate boarding pass. Step up to the gate with confidence because you are in control. Subscribe for more travel empowerment.